Unraveling the phrase, select seeds, a guide to understanding. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the interesting world of English phrases. Specifically, we'll explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, select seeds. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, this video will shed light on this unique expression, helping you understand and use it effectively in your English conversations. Select seeds might sound simple, but it carries a specific meaning. The word select here is an adjective, implying something chosen carefully for its quality. And seeds, of course, are the small, embryonic plants enclosed in a covering. When combined, select seeds refers to seeds that have been carefully chosen for their superior quality or characteristics. This phrase is often used in gardening, agriculture, and even in metaphorical contexts. Now, let's see how select seeds can be used in various sentences. In gardening, we bought select seeds to ensure a better yield in our garden. In business, the company invests only in select seeds, promising startups with potential. In a metaphorical sense, nurturing young talent is like planting select seeds. You're investing in future growth. Understanding the context is key to using this phrase correctly. When learning new phrases, it's easy to make mistakes. Here are a few to avoid with select seeds. Don't confuse select with selected. Selected seeds implies that they have been chosen, but not necessarily for their quality. Remember, select seeds is not a phrase commonly used in everyday conversation. It's more specific to certain fields or metaphorical expressions. And that's a wrap on select seeds. We hope this video has been enlightening and will help you use this phrase with confidence in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and remember, learning a new language is like planting your own select seeds of knowledge. See you in the next video.